When should you level up from a piggy bank to a bank account? Students, young adults, and parents alike may be wondering about taking that next step up. Bank of America can help you get ready. Having a bank account is essential for managing your money confidently. Plus, a debit card takes up a lot less space than cash. A Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance banking account can be solely opened by those ages 16 or older or with a parent as a co-owner and offers a monthly maintenance fee waiver for this account with an owner under 25. Another way to get the most out of an account is to use Zelle in the mobile banking app. Parents, students, and young adults can stay connected, stay informed, and send money in minutes. The mobile app makes banking as easy as using your phone. And for families who want to learn as they bank, know that parents can always set debit limits and alerts to help you stay on track. When it comes to finances, we can help students and young adults make the right moves. What would you like the power to do? Bank of America.